Here is another video for a home edition that you would put on the back of a home like this. So the home edition is going to be on a simple gable roof, gable at each end, but the addition is going to be on the back, full length. And let's go ahead and just take a look at the floor plan here. So just a 30-foot by 20-foot building. If your building is 80 foot by 60 foot, it's going to be about the same kind of a thing. And I might have already made this video, but the individual who requested it said that I hadn't. So if I had, and this is the second one you watched, let me know and I'll remove it. Let's go ahead and see if we can help this guy out. Now here's an example of what it would look like if you put the addition on the back. Remember the gable, the existing gable house is over here. And then you put a hip roof on it. So you would have a couple of valleys on each side, a couple hips, and of course for this particular design here, depending on how far out you go, you're going to have an area like this. Or you don't have to have it, but it could be part of the design here. So again, here's the addition back. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the floor view or a roof plan. So the existing house is here, and then you pop an addition off in the back here with a full-length addition and a hip roof. So this will give you a good idea what it would be if you do use a hip roof instead of a gable roof. And of course, here's what the roof would look like with a gable end. So this would be the addition here, the existing house. We have the same setup here with the valleys coming off of the side. And again, keep in mind, these are just my design. These are just quick design ideas. There are plenty of other ways to build this roof here. So a full-length gable, the back of a home with the existing house. You could do something like this to make it work. Take a look at the floor plan or the roof plan. Same kind of thing, except we just have a gable at this end. Now, the individual who sent me the request had a building that would have been shaped something like this. It had a pop out on the end and a gable roof at this end. It looked like someone had added something on to it, like a porch or something. And in that section of the roof, you might be able to leave it as is and just frame over it. If not, just remove the sections that you can't. You could probably leave the ceilings intact and then just frame the new roof. And I do have other videos on that. I think you would have to go to the website and go to Home Editions, and either Home Editions, the designs in the design, or in the remodeling section to get some ideas on how to actually frame a roof like this. And again, if you can't find the information, let me know and I will see what I can do.